Alright, we gotta go up here and drift a little bit. Man's gonna get me in the camera, so like the Osmo. Alrighty tighty. We have the car in V mode, which is my mode. Heavy steering and all that, but you already know I'm trying to get sport mode for the diff and all that stuff. GM says that changing it, the different modes, at least for the Corvette, doesn't change how the diff acts, but I beg to differ. Because try drifting it in track mode and you'll see it is not what the car wants to do.
Don't keep me before you do one, just so I know.
I'm gonna have to like clutch kick it or really throw it in or something. I need a more like open spot to like practice that though. I don't want to crash. Oh yeah, this one right here I might try. See no one's coming. Oh, heck yeah. Okay, that was freaking sick. I just need to save some tire for this though. Alright, I can't mess this one up because this is like the best turn. Okay, yeah, that was sick. Car wants to grip up like super hardcore. Yeah, see, I'm running out of gear, low key. Okay, yeah, this one for sure. Car's gonna heat up pretty soon. All right, ready? Okay, so we out here in Mexico. What was that? Okay, well, I think my undercarriage just scraped on a bunch of gravel. Or on something. That was kind of not it. But I'm still gonna turn around and do a little drift. Oh, diff started tripping out for a second. I'm gonna try that one more time. Okay, that was sick as frick.
Like it doesn't really get the angle.
Yeah. It's like this one is a good third gear turn. Like I bet I could drift this entire thing if I did it. It's like, I don't know if I want to try that right now, though. I guess you probably want to be like up higher.
Dog, it's okay, I can walk. I appreciate the convenience.
No, I messed it up. Come on, go. Okay, I actually got like smoke on that one. That was low-key sick. I'm gonna like very low-key check my tires. Probably got at least a few more of those left. All right, I think I'm gonna let home slice back in. We can go drift somewhere else, like come up or something. That's probably good for the outside shots. Okay, fellas, this is our last run. I'm just gonna do a couple slides with Emmanuel in the car here, just so we can get some wide angle lens shots.
My name's not Emmanuel, but I'm not Mexican.
Yeah, we are in Mexico, but he's not Mexican. All right, ready? Alright, well, hopefully y'all enjoyed that little session we had. That was pretty fun.
Yeah, facts. We might come here this year again, who knows?
Yeah, nobody knows.
But we're not going to release this location. It's a closed track in Mexico.
High key.